This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad. First, let's talk about the foundation, your ingredients. Selecting fresh, ripe fruits is key for the best taste and texture. Aim for a vibrant mix of at least 5 different colors to make your salad visually stunning. You will also need a large mixing bowl, a sharp knife, and a sturdy cutting board to get started. These simple tools are essential for a smooth preparation process. Now that you have your ingredients, it is time for preparation. Begin by washing all your fruits thoroughly under cool, running water to ensure they are clean. Next, peel any fruits that require it, such as oranges, kiwis, and bananas, carefully removing any seeds or tough cores. Finally, cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This consistency makes the salad easier and more enjoyable to eat. A simple dressing can elevate your fruit salad. For a bright and refreshing flavor, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon or 2 limes into a small bowl. You can also add a touch of sweetness with 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, depending on your preference. Once your dressing is ready, gently pour it over the prepared fruit in your large mixing bowl and toss everything together. Your delicious fruit salad is almost ready. For the best taste, chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can also add a lovely finishing touch by garnishing with fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.